आई साला क्या हाल है तुम्हारा भाई और उनकी बहनों। तो दोस्तों मैं तुम्हारा स्वागत करता हूँ एक डार्क स्टोरी और एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन ग्राफिक के गेम के साथ जिसका नाम है पोकेमॉन अनबाउंड। हुपा की स्टोरी वेरी डार्क स्टोरी। और मैं थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगा भाई और पोके ट्यूबर्स को जिन्होंने हेल्प की, और स्केली जिन्होंने इसको मतलब गेम को और मॉडिफाइड करके अपडेट किया। ये गेम पहले भी था पर ये इसका कंप्लीटेड अपडेटेड वर्जन है, तो मैं भी इसका पार्ट बना रहा हूँ। मुझको लगा इसको बनाना चाहिए क्योंकि सभी लोग बना रहे हैं। एंड दिस गेम इज़ टोटली फ्रीकिंग मैन ऑसम। क्या बात है यार, मतलब क्या बोलूँ यार, तुम लोग यकीन नहीं करोगे। वुड यू लाइक टू, नॉर्मली बोलते हैं वुड यू लाइक टू स्किप सर्टेन कट्सिंग। अरे नो यार, मेन चीज़ कैसे द ऑप्शन मे चेंज एट एनी पॉइंट यूजिंग द ऑप्शन मेन लॉन्ग। अब आएगा लॉन्ग अगो the Boros region was engulfed by a great war with the Kalos region. It was a brutal war on which last many years. एक ऐसा टाइम आया जब कैलोस अपने सिस को मैनेज कर पाया। ओ भाई, ओ भाई क्या मस्त है ये देखो, यहाँ मैग्मोटर्स के बीच लड़ाई हो रही है। ये एग्रॉन है, ये राइपीरियर है, और ये गोलन है, ये इलेक्ट्रिवायर, ये स्कॉर्व, ये सैलमेंस, ये स्टीलेक्स। किंग समन अ डार्क फोर्स टू हेल्प द turn the tides of battle. Oh, हुबा आ गया। The Calosian army at advantage was lost almost instantly. Or soon it as it entered the battlefield, the dark force used its power. आई साला क्या बात! To create a portal and transport the invading army back to Kalos. Oh, with the foreign army gone, the war seemed to an end for Boris. However, their king overcome by his lesson. Okay. The war continued to rage in Kalos for several years. Many more men and Pokemon were conscripted to fight, and inevitably, Aisala met there and to the battlefield. One such Pokemon having been their friend. Okay. Overcome with the grief, the king built a device that restored life granting. Okay. Immortality. मतलब ये अपने Pokemon को अमर बनाना चाहता था। Immortal मतलब अमर होता है। But this touching event left him scattered with anger, unable to forgive the world that had hurt the precious Pokemon and turned this machine into a giant weapon. The ultimate weapon. The king became a bringer of the destruction that ended the war. ओ भाई क्या बात है यार, मतलब बार बार स्क्रीनशॉट लेने का मन कर रहा है। With the war over, what a little remained the Borean army. Borean army and the return home. The king's Pokemon left him the battlefield. Yet peace was still come. Engaged, okay. Borean king. When he had nothing to offer them, then began to manipulate the dark force to attack Borean kingdom in an attempt coup. In an effort to stop the madness, the Borean king gathered the legendary Pokemon Articuno, Zapdos, Moltres. Using the power of three but combined the plates of Arceus, the Pokemon that shaped a universe of prison was created for the dark force, sealing its power. It became a shadow. Stripped its power, it was taken by the king and supervised by his progeny until one fateful day, 16 years ago. Oh my god, Arceus. Oh my Arceus. Arceus. I fear my time's almost up. This Pokemon. If this next experiment goes south, it will fall right into his hands. I told him using its power is dangerous. मेरे को लगता है बोरियन किंग का रीजन का ना किंग है, but without my guidance, I worry he will settle on it as an alternative method for achieving his goal, and that's why I need to do this. It's gone. Now it's time to you to go to Arceus. There's no point in you sticking around any longer. Just promise me one thing. Please watch over my child. Bahu Arceus. Okay. Elsewhere. Oh, acha. Okay. Oh, how can I fulfill my grandpa's wish if I can't even catch a single Pokemon? I promise him I'll finish it, but at this point, I don't see how that will even be possible. Please, Arceus, if you are real, give me a sign that everything will work out. A Pokeball here now? Arceus is real after all. This Pokemon, Hoopa. It appeared Grammy that there may be a way after all. It's time for the eternal flower to bloom once more. ओ भाई ओ भाई 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 ओह ओके ओके ओह क्या बात है यार क्या बात है Welcome to the Pokemon Unbound. Before you begin playing, please be aware that this is non-profit fan game. If you paid for this game, reclaim your money. भाई मैं क्यों पैसा पे कर लूँ पहली बात. In the world which you are about to enter, you will be embarked to a grand adventure with you as the hero. The world is big place. Take your time exploring. There is no rush. Speak to the people and check things wherever you go, be it town, road or caves. The world and its people are alive. As you grow, they will grow along with you. So keeping this in mind, your action can affect and change the world around you. With in mind, you are almost ready to enter to the water first. Choose your character. मैं लड़का हूँ. Choose your. ओ भाई skin tone. Okay. Okay. देखो मैं रेसिज्म पे ज़रा भी यकीन नहीं करता पर इससे ब्राइटनेस थोड़ा मतलब क्लियरिटी दिख रही है. ओ एक मिनट ये यही स्किन नहीं रखना है. असल में ना मेरे को ये हेयर थोड़ा ज़्यादा पसंद है. आउटफिट कलर ये अच्छा लग रहा है. Last but not least, what is your name, my boy? मेरा नाम है दिव्यांश और मैं हूँ एक पोकेमॉन चैम्पियन. मजाक कर रहा था. बना नहीं अभी कोई भी रीजन पूरा कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है. रेडिकल रेड बचा है, एडवेंचर रेड बचा है, क्या क्या बचा है पता भी नहीं यार. कोई एक गेम तो जो उसको कंप्लीट करो अभी. हाँ बस शानी विक्ट्री कंप्लीट किया अभी तक. सो योर नेम इज़ दिव्यांश. चूज योर प्रेफर गेम डिफिकल्टी. अब हाँ गैस अब तुम लोग ध्यान देना. यहाँ तुमको देखो पूछेगा कि तुमको क्या चुनना है. तो मैं तो भाई इंसेन चुनने वाला हूँ. नो डाउट द गेम्स डिफिकल्टी हैज़ बीन सेट टू इंसेन. दिस मे बी चेंज टू ईजियर बट सेटिंग एट पॉइंट यूजिंग द ऑप्शन मेन्यू. द डिफॉल्ट एंड ईजी डिफिकल्टी आर ऑलवेज अवेलेबल. वुड यू लाइक टू प्ले द डार्कर वर्जन ऑफ स्टोरी? यस. देखो ये सब चीज़ों पे ध्यान देना. तुरंत खेलने के एक्साइटमेंट में ऐसा मत करना कि भाई पूरा तुम्हारा वही चला जाए. ठीक है. प्रेजेंट डे. ओह क्या होता है. हुबा आ गया. ओह ये क्या कर रहा है. अरे मैं सो रहा था ना मेरे को क्यों उठाया. व्हाट द 2 in 1 day. Quick soul test. What are you standing around for? Grab him. Now knock him out and lock him up in a warehouse. It's going to freak out when he hears the. Oh my god. Oh okay. He is unconscious, Hooper. Stop. What did I tell you about traveling through my cube space? Just because you can't travel through your ring anymore, that does not give you the right to use my cube without permission. And where you the one responsible for bringing this to here? I don't know what you wanted but this with them, but you've been a nuisance ever since I found you on that beach. Sorry guys. On that 16 years ago. I may not be ट्रू गार्डियन बट आई एम योर ट्रेनर नाउ. ओके मतलब वो 16 साल पहले जो आदमी था ना वो यही था. एंड यू विल ओबे मी. दिस टू वोंट रेस्क्यू यू फ्रॉम मी. अभी बस उठने बेटा बताता हूँ तेरे को. रुक. और आ गया है दिव्यांश. ओह हो बाबा बाबा क्या बात. ओह भाई बी बटन दबाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. ओके पोस्टर मिला. चलो चलते हैं. He is unconscious. Better leave him alone for now. Okay. Okay. Where you think you are going, kid? I'm under strict order to keep you locked up. Okay. He's unconscious. What's this? There's something written on his shirt. Its name it is. Oh अपना राइवल का नाम. राइवल का नाम रखेंगे हम लोग. Stop. इसका नाम मैं रखूँगा शौर्य. ये बेस्ट है। एक जन को बहुत ये है थोड़ा, पर कोई नहीं। ओए साला। यस शॉट। What's going on? Where am I? What's going on? Oh wait, you are that kid from down the road, Divyansh, right? Do you know that what's going you're doing here? What you don't know? So you must be in the same situation as I am. Here, you been any sort of exit around? There is one, there's one, but it is blocked by a man dressed in black. They take me there. I'm going to try the break through. अच्छा, तो मतलब बंदा अब उसको मतलब ये करेगा, उससे मतलब ये हमारी तरफ से ही लड़ेगा। Hey, who do you think you are? Do you think you can get away with keeping us locked up in here? You better let us through right now. You are going to suffer.
Back off, kid. I under strict order to keep you locked up. So scram unless you want to suffer.
Smart choice.
Smart choice. Keep far away from this door and you won't regret it.
It doesn't look like he's going to move, Divyansh. We better look for another way out of here. अब मार पटेली, अब मार। बोल रहा था कि मत कर, बेवकूफ़ी तो। Did you hear that, Divyansh? It sounded like same Pokemon are trapped in the cage over there. Let's go check it out. Okay, मैं देखता हूँ। मैं देखूँगा, तू नहीं देखेगा। Okay, स्पीड अच्छी है यार। पोशन मिलता जा रहा है बहुत अच्छे। आई साला, कब बात? कहाँ जाना है? ओके, द लॉक कंप्लीट फ्रैगल ब्रेक इट। यस, द लॉक हैज बीन ब्रोकन। गिब्बल, लार्विटार, ओ भाई बेल्डम, क्या बात। ओके, तो हमें एक पोकेमॉन चुनना है। मैं किसको चुनूँ? गिब्बल, ड्रैगन ना, बेल्डम, स्टील या लार्विटार? नहीं। तो देखो भाई, तीनों हैं, बड़े होकर बनेगा। एक बनेगा गार्चॉम, दूसरा बनेगा मेटाक्रॉस, तीसरा बनेगा टायरेनाटार। भाई तीनों सूडो लेजेंडरी पोकेमॉन है। कंफ्यूज हो रहा हूँ, मैं चकरा रहा हूँ। ठीक है, अक्कड़ बक्कड़ करते हैं। अक्कड़ बक्कड़ बम्बे बोल, 80 90 पूरे 100 मिला के धागा, चोर निकल के भागा। अपन बेल्डम को चुनेंगे। यस, द बेल्डम जॉइन दिव्यांश पार्टी, इट्स केयरफुल नेचर। बेल्डम को नाम, यस आई विल गिव हिम निकनेम JR, जूनियर। JR, रुक जा भाई। यस, जूनियर, come out junior. I will take this one then. Disheartened, the Larvitar left. Now that we have our Pokemon, let's head back to the exit. We'll force way out of here. Okay, चलो अब उसको मजा सिखाते हैं हम लोग।
I told you before, I am under strict order to keep you locked up.
Ha ha. Hey. You don't really have a choice now. You are going to let us out of or face my wrath.
Quit fooling yourself. There's nothing you can do make me let you through.
Divyansh, let's team up and show this guy what we can do. Okay, yes, we are going to.
You both are really starting to get on my nerves. Inkay, Scorpy, show them what you can. Show them why you don't mess with the shadows.
Okay, आजा। वाह साइन, ओह भाई तगड़ा एकदम पूरा। इंके एंड स्कॉर्पी, बेल्डम गो जूनियर, मेडल बैश, गिब्बल पॉइजन, स्कॉर्पी गया। गिब्बल ठीक है रे। जूनियर बहुत अच्छे।
Oh, I knew a bad idea. No, my Pokemon.
Not bad, Divyansh. You and I make pretty good team. But I will take it from here. Let's use the potion on your Pokemon to heal it from the fight. Okay.
Gible.
Gibble, use Fire Fang.
Good ball.
Alright, I gave up. I gave up.
Okay, alright. I give up. I will let you through. Please have mercy on me. Don't hurt me anymore, please.
Gibble, return. I'm getting out of here now, Divyansh. I'm sure you are capable of taking care of yourself from here on out. If you run into any trouble, just use your Pokemon. One more thing. As soon as you get home, we are going to battle. You impress me when you battle together, so I want to see you how I will fare against you. Until then, don't tire yourself out too much. Oh, लड़ क्यों नहीं रहा बंदा?
Whip out in an instant.
ओके मतलब वो अपने दो मतलब हमारा जो राइवल उनने सबको हरा दिया. ओके.
I'm really sorry, sir. But those people you asked me to guard found some Pokemon and escaped.
Fool!
Ha ha.
How could you let them escape? They saw what we are doing in the lab in the name of law. If they realize what we are doing and tell anyone, the international police will send a whole ethics committee after us. That could ruin our entire operation. And you think a simple apology will make everything better?
No, sir, I don't. But it was just a small mistake. I promise it won't happen again.
Marlon, I need you to send someone to obtain the weekly supplies from the Pokemon Mart. Make sure that also the secretary obtain a special package that is arriving today. It's critical for our operation to capture specimen Uno, okay?
Right away. Grunt. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Anything else?
Once Agrada has obtained that package, take it and use it to capture specimen Uno.
On it.
As you, I'm going to make you an example out of you. It's time to pay you for your blunder.
No, please, I'm really sorry. I will do anything to fix this.
Hound, insert this piece of trash.
Oh my god, मार दिया उसको.
Now someone take his ashes to the lab. Let's at least make something useful of this failure. Oh, Frozen Heights, okay. Divya, you finally made it out. Have you met old man Locke? He's an expert on Pokemon stats or something or other. I have been filling him on what happened.
I study all aspects of Pokemon stats and capture rates. And my title is Professor, not Old Man. Dear Arceus, I feel like I've told you that too many times. Anyway, that must have been quite an order I went through. I am relieved to hear both of you are unharmed. You both even managed to acquire your very own Pokemon, not to mention rare and powerful ones at that. I was planning on giving Shaurya one someday or another, but now I don't have to. No. Ho ho ho.
Someday. It's been 13 years since you started me. It's been 13 years since you were starting looking after me, old man. I've been asking for Arceus knows how long. Honestly, I gave up believing you would years ago.
Well, of course I was planning on it, Shaurya. There are plenty of my errand. I'm too old to run myself. It's just well that when your parents left you with me, they asked that I watch over you until you were at least 18-year-old.
Whatever, Locke. Believe what you want. Oh yeah, almost forgot. Now that we are outsider, outside. Let me show you how real trainer battles. Okay, here come rival.
Oh, वाह. Gible. Okay, go well, Junior. पता तुम कर सकते हो. ओहो, ये क्या हुआ?
Look like you still have a long way to go, Divyansh. You have no more fight Pokemon that can fight.
That was a final battle. Eventually, if I do save myself, no one cared how it made you feel, Locke.
It only matters if your Pokemon seem strong.
Well,
From what I can see.
From what I can see, your Pokemon do have some nice stats. I see potential for them to become strong Pokemon someday.
Thank you, Locke. That's first useful thing you said all day. And and I will be out at last cause I'm out of here.
Oi, Salah! Well, he's certainly handful, isn't he? And now that he gone, who will run my errand for me? Divyan, you seem capable. Would you like to run my errand for me? Yes, okay. I will in town at Pokemon Mart. There's a package waiting for me. I need you to pick it up. I would get it myself. However, like I said previously, I am too old to travel. I've already informed the clock that I am not going to get it myself. But instant that it must be picked up from Bellenden Town. It should be not be too hard for you since you have your own Pokemon. Ho ho ho! If you need anything from me, I will be in my lap. It's not that far, just down the road. But before you go anywhere, you should check it with your mother. She is likely very worried about you. Good luck, Divyan. My studies depend on you.
Okay, Budhau. I am going for look after you. Budhau is best. अरे इतना आलिशान घर अपना है क्या यार जरा देखे सारा
Oh my god.
देखे क्या है
Okay. You should visit your mother before you getting my package, Divyan. She's likely very worried of you.
Okay, I'm going. ये अपना घर होगा.
What are you doing? I told you to check it with your mother. Don't look at me like that. Didn't your mother ever teach you to listen to your elder? Go see her.
अरे बाबरा बुढ़ाऊ ताड़ मत हमको समझा ज़्यादा मत बन अपने आप को. Oh my God, मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही बोल दिया. ये मेरा घर है क्या? Oh my मम्मी आ गई हैं. Okay, come out, mom.
Oh, you're doing right. I heard about you from Soria. He told me about.
अच्छा ये मेरी माँ नहीं है, sorry.
He told me about you. How you helped me out earlier. It's weird for my brother.
अच्छा उसका भाई है, बहन है वो उसकी.
My brother don't respect anyone, but he seems to respect you.
Okay, thank you, lady. Literally, thank for your guidance and thank you.
ओए साला कब बात है?
ओए साला ये तो साला इधर बकवा बन कर रहा है भाई. ये मेरा घर है. ओ पिंक वाली अपनी मम्मी है, पिंक बाल वाली.
That's very open. I was really worried about you. Wow. That sounded really frightening. I'm really glad you are safe now. Before you do anything else, you should take a nice long rest.
Okay.
Don't feel much better now, sweetie. Much more risk to run Professor Long errand for him.
Okay.
Nick, I always knew that day would come when you would leave your home. It went on so on TV. If only your father could see you now, he is so proud. Well, if you are going to run errand Professor Long, you will need this.
Okay, we received Super Cube mission log component from home.
Mr. Locke, function for Super Cube. It keeps track of anything you've been asked for to do.
Okay. Okay, a hero journey. Okay, नया mission. Super Cube battle component from mom. Okay. Yeah, I'm understanding. Game, I really love this game. Okay, हमें Super Cube costume component मिल गया. Discount. Okay. थोड़ा चेक करें इतना दी है मम्मी जी हमारी. ये क्या है? पता नहीं क्या है ये. Oh, our first encounter, but नहीं पकड़ना मुझे. Oh, स्नोनट यार मस्त है. I see. Junior, come out.
Hey, you must be Divyansh. Professor Locke phoned ahead and told me to guide you if you got lost. Ballin Town just over that way.
Okay, thank you.
If you want to see set of a journey to Icicle Cave, prove you are ready for delivering Professor Lock package to him.
Okay, I am ready. यहाँ आर्टिकुनो है। ओ भाई एक मिनट। Please don't disturb me, citizen. I am on duty. Okay. Statue of legendary ice Pokemon Articuno. Oh, freaking awesome, man. Okay. वो तो मैंने खुद देखा है। क्या ये पोकेमॉन मार्ट है? ग्राफिक गजब है यार इस हिसाब के गेम का। His eyes are glued to the TV. इतना टीवी देखना अच्छा नहीं है बच्चे। Did you know that there is a special Pokeball that heals Pokemon? When you capture his Pokemon, all damage done is undone. Baby, if you had a Pokédex, I'd be instant to give you some. Okay, Pokédex अभी नहीं है हमारे पास, पर मैं तुम्हारे पास जरूर आऊँगा। पोकीमार्ट, पहले मुझे पोकीमार्ट ढूंढना होगा।
I just don't know what to do. Every few days this horrible Pokemon has been coming into my house and stealing my food. If I had a Pokédex, I could stop. Okay.
ओके अभी बस मार्ट ढूंढना मुझे। मार्ट, या दिस इज अ मार्ट।
I heard a special package arrived today.
I want to buy. I'm sorry sir, I can't do that.
The
packet belongs to someone already.
Maybe you misheard me. Give me that package. I won't ask again.
I really can't sir. As a faithful employee of Pokemon Mart, it goes against that I stand to give you that package.
I see. Well then, Sneasel, grab that package. Good work, Sneasel. I'm sorry. Take this for your trouble. Money.
Get out of my way.
What? You came to get that package too? Well, unless you fight. Okay.
प्रॉब्लम अब आएगा, नहीं आएगा। हरा दिया स्नीजर को।
You wouldn't chance at least. Did you honestly think I would give up package even I lost? I didn't came all this way just to give it some stupid kid. Now move.
Did you receive that packet from the mart?
Yes, I did, sir.
Very discreet in doing so.
I was, sir. I tried not to cause too much of commotion. I even paid for that package as instructed.
Good work. The last thing we need right now is the police on our tails. We are too close to end game to be stopped now. Report back to Zep and inform him of my current status.
Yes, sir.
Hey mom, फिर अब सड़ाएगा वापस बुढ़ाऊ। ओए साला हट जा तू यहाँ से। मैं तेरे को नहीं पकड़ना चाहता, मैं इंटरेस्ट नहीं हूँ तुझमें। ये एक ही पोकेमॉन क्यों बार बार आता है यार, नहीं पकड़ना बोला तो। Let's get my packet from the Valentine Divyansh. I don't know you can get it. Guys, अभी मेरे को कुछ समझ में तो आ नहीं रहा है, तो let me save this game here. Hope you like the video. Then please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon. घंटा बजा देना, मैं तुम्हारे घंटे बजा दूंगा। मतलब ऐसा मजाक कर रहा था। Hope you like the video. Then please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon. मैं मिलूंगा दूसरा कल वीडियो में, तब तक तुमको कुछ समझ में नहीं आया तो ऐसा समझ जाना, वरना बहुत मारेगा तुमको, इतना मारेगा तुम याद रखोगे। तो गाइस मजाक कर रहा था, तो भूल जाओ उस चीज़ को, भूल जाओ बस। मैं हूँ अमिताभ बच्चन और लेना चाहता हूँ आपसे विदा। हाय हाय हाय, बाय बाय एंड पीस आउट।